In this video, I'll guide you through how to change the font on Microsoft Forms. Even though Microsoft Forms doesn't let you pick a specific font like Arial or Times New Roman, there is still a way to change how your text looks by using themes. I'll walk you through how that works, what you can and can't do, and a few tips to help you choose the best style for your form. Let's start by opening your form in Microsoft Forms. Go ahead and sign into your Microsoft account if you haven't already, then navigate to the form you want to edit. This could be a survey, a quiz, or a simple feedback form. Once you see the form you want, click to open it in the editor view. You should be able to see your questions, title, and description on the main screen. Now, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see an option called Styles. This is where all the visual customization for your form lives. Click on Styles, and this will open the Styles pane on the side of your screen. When the Styles pane opens, you'll see a selection of themes. Each theme is essentially a bundle of design settings that includes background colors, images, and, importantly, font styles. You might notice some themes are more colorful, some are more minimal, and some use illustrations or photos as backgrounds. As you hover over or click on each theme, Microsoft Forms will show you a live preview of how your form will look. To change the font style, all you need to do is choose one of these themes. Once you click on a theme, your form's appearance updates automatically. This includes the look and feel of the text. Even though you're not directly selecting a font name, each theme has its own built-in font styling. That means your questions, titles, and descriptions may look a bit different from one theme to another, with variations in thickness, size, and overall personality. Take a moment to scroll through the available themes and try a few out. Pay attention not just to how the background looks, but also to how readable the text is. For example, if your form is long or detailed, you might prefer a clean, simple theme with a clear and easy-to-read font style. If your form is more fun or creative, you might choose a more playful theme that still keeps the text legible. It's important to understand a key limitation here. Microsoft Forms does not currently allow you to directly change the font typeface. In other words, you can't open a menu and choose something like Arial, Times New Roman, or Calibri by name. The font style is controlled entirely by the theme you select. So the only way to adjust the way your text looks is by switching between these themes. If you're designing a form for a brand, a class, or a workplace, test a few themes and see which one feels the most appropriate and professional. Remember that you can come back to the Styles pane at any time to change the theme later, and your questions and responses will stay the same. And that's all you need to change the font style on Microsoft Forms. Open your form, click Styles at the top right, open the Styles pane, and select a theme that gives you the look and readability you want.